Vaulted spaces. We all need vaulted spaces. The ceilings in synagogues, churches and temples, lobbies and theaters, museums and malls, train stations and airports, stadiums and courthouses. They all lift our heads and raise our eyes. The vaulted spaces, where for a while we can fly. We need them without knowing it. The high, clean, open, soaring ceilings, the beams that lead us to make a space within. Think of it otherwise. The prisons and cells, and a billion cubicles, the tiny offices, the close, tight quarters, the walls without windows, like a mind without an eye. Like a mind without an eye. Even heaven suffers the human claustrophobic, the man-made cave, the demographic slave, imagination's grave. Oh God, I cannot live without vaulted spaces, the aesthetic traces of the soul's lost graces, the memory of our angelic faces, outside the body's cruel embraces. Vaulted spaces.